ever thought about the diverse group of people who make up the church? We are composed of many individuals from different ethnic backgrounds, age groups, and cultures. This means that we don't all think alike or value the same things. Now, our diversity might present a challenge to unity of the church. But as we read Paul's description of the body of Christ, we find a surprise. Diversity is actually necessary for the body to accomplish its task. Every individual who is connected to the body has their own part in the function of the church, and therefore, everyone needs to work together to achieve a singular goal. This has important implications for understanding unity. Unity cannot be understood as uniformity, where everyone says and does the same thing. Rather, unity occurs through diversity. Christ, as the head of the body, coordinates the united action of this diverse group. Any attempt to produce unity without his lead is doomed to failure. But we cannot expect unity to be automatic, even though we're connected to the head of the body. Think about how young children have to learn how to coordinate both their desires and their muscles before they can pick up objects or take their first steps. Even though a baby has all the right connections between the different parts of its body, it takes time and maturity to learn how each part can work together to accomplish everyday activities. In just the same way, it can take time for the members of the church to learn how to work together under the guidance of Christ to accomplish God's vision for the church. Spend some time this week studying what Paul says about the body of Christ. Prayerfully consider how you can best fulfill your role as part of the body as it seeks to work together to accomplish mission.